To change the style of your lock screen clock in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap lock screen thumbnail to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen. As a note, if you have enabled touch and hold to edit lock screen, you can also go to the screen by tapping and holding your lock screen. Next, tap the clock to customize it. And then in the clock style section, select the desired clock style from the available option. You can choose the digital clock or analog clock. You can see how the clock will look like when selecting an option. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Done button to save the change. The selected style will be applied to the clock on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.